Hello, team traders. This is Keith again, back from easytradingschool.com, and in this video, I'm gonna show you what is happening with these two stocks which I bought about 20 days ago, and it's doing pretty good. So let's get started. So what I did, I opened some trades and I used Uber Technology stocks and I used Google stocks to open some trades. I used a small amount. Same multiplier, and I used the same amount and different multiplier just to show you, and also for me to learn and everything, so just doing different things, and you can see what you can do with $100 and also without using the multiplier. So just another thing I want to show you guys and girls is that you see the little dots there. That means that this stock is not trading at the moment because the market is closed, because it is about 12 o'clock in London, and this is based in USA, I suppose, the stock exchange market. But it will be opening in a few hours, and it doesn't matter. I'll be closing them off with a profit, but I just wanted to give this update to you and show you that this can be done. So what's happening here? Okay, so I'm gonna launch off my calculator to really break down what is happening. So you see the first $100 there. In this one, I've used 10 multiplier. Okay, so what that means essentially that my profit seems to be 10% on that. So if I hadn't used any multiplier, I would have come out with $10. But you can see that I've made $100, and that's because I used 10 multiplier. So I simply multiply this by another 10, and this is how much I made. The same situation with the with $1,000 is that I doubled my money by using 10 multiplier, because these were the same trades open at the same time. You can see the rates are same as well. So this is all good and fine, but look what happened to Google. Okay, with Google I only made 2%. I will repeat, I only made 2% gains, and I will calculate that 5,000 and 2%, I made $100. You can see that 98 right there. Now why I'm actually unhappy about this, because if I had put this 5,000 and this 5,000 into Uber, because Uber gave me 10%, okay, Google only gave me 2%. So if I had used this 10,000 altogether, this and this, now you can see that this 5,000 actually made me, okay, let's see, 2%. So 100 times 10, you can see the multiplier, I made 1,000. But this is all fine. But if I use that 10,000, okay, and if I had used in Uber, I would get 10%. So I would have received 1,000 without any multiplier. But if I had used the 10 multiplier, I would get $10,000 in 20 freaking days. It is insane, mind-blowing. But it could have happened the other way around. Maybe Uber would have made 2% and Google would have made 10%. We don't know, and that's the name of the game here. Anyway, I'm doing overall profit. It's no problem, and a lot of people say, hey, because you already have money, so you can invest and lose and win, and it doesn't matter to you. Okay, no, it does matter to me. But yes, it's true that when you have larger amounts and you have the luxury to trade at a higher level, you can make more money, because you can see that, okay, with with 1,000 I've doubled my money, but with 5,000 I've only made 1,000. So okay, yes, these are large amounts, but if you only had $100, okay, you would have doubled. You made another $100. So that's $100. You got to look at that way, okay? And this is the important thing I say to all my followers and my students, is that if you can win with small monies, that's an example that you can do with large money also. So don't try to go large so quickly and just soon as possible. That shouldn't be a goal, okay? Because then you're just gonna lose at large, okay? So your goal should be to win at small amounts which you can sustain to lose, and then when you've got that right, when you've got that $100 winning like this is happening here, then you go large. Okay, so that's why I'm running another challenge. It's $500 challenge. It's another playlist you can watch on my channel. And also, if you want to join my program, I'm offering free program. There's a link down below in the description. I run a couple of, also I'll just say about, tell you about myself. My name is Keith. I run a couple of websites. One of them is binaryoptionstested.com, where I expose scams, and the other one is a training website, easytradingschool.com, where you can join me and join my mentorship program. And everybody is welcome at all levels. That's no problem. I also have a Signals group where you can join. The link is also, I think it's in the description or to the website. So coming back to this and analyzing now, there are some stages of the stocks of Forex. When you start any stock or Forex trade, it will always be red, and then it will go from red, or it will stay red, or it will go from red to green, red, green, and it will change. So what happened with these two stocks? I mean, if you see last week I had closed more trades, and they were pretty quick flips, I have to tell you. You can see I opened on 21st of January, and I closed on January 30, so 9 days apart, and I made more than, like, almost double my money, like, you know. And you can see January 21st, you can see my account was approved and all of this. So my account has $25,000 euros, and I quickly went for these. Now I wasn't very happy with Intel, Visa, you know, they're like old school stocks. Nothing much really happens with them, but still I made, you know, with 500 I made 50, with 1000 I made 100. Okay, so you can't complain. But you know, there are about 10 stocks that are doing very, very well. Netflix is one of them, and Tesla has now emerging. Apple has always been long time consistent net growth happening there. So let's look at this now. This was my situation last week, and now I couldn't close these two of the stocks and 4 trades because they were in red, and I'm gonna just see that it could be that they turned green, red, without me knowing, because I wasn't really watching them all that close. And if I look at the 21st of January, okay, so we are over here. So I opened my trade somewhere over here. Okay, so they're all buy trades though, so they're all upwards because they're like safe, because I know they are good market reputation for these attached to these stocks, so they're always constantly going up, but they also go down. You can see they go down, and this is what happens. So you can see the red, a white little dot there, very small dot. So I think it represents where I started. Okay, so it was almost like, okay, red, oh, way red. Okay, so the green as actually means it's increased since, so that means increase, but for me it's red because my level is over here. So anything below, I'm not making money. So I'm not making money, and then I started to make money there. I didn't sell it because I wasn't really watching it. It went down again, and now it's up here, and now it's really doubled. Okay, not doubled, 10%, and then 10 is the other multiplier. So that's how the doubling is working. That's what happened with Uber. Let's look at Google. What happened there? Okay, so I opened this on 21st of January. Let's have a look there. Okay, this is what? This is 19. Okay, this is weekly chart. Let's change this to 1 hour chart. Or so 4-hour charts. I want to look for 21st of, yeah, where's my dot? 21st of January. Okay, I think my dot there. I don't see my dot there. Okay, so anywho, it was over here, 21st of January. Okay, so it was pretty over here. Now you can also see the gray line there. So is that the dot? Okay, my dot is here. Okay, so it was somewhere here. No, it was here, 17. 21. Oh, strange, because the dot is showing there, but it should be here. Okay, anyway. So this is Google, and what's happened with that, it rose a little bit, and now it went down, down, down. So it stayed down all the way, and now it's really coming up. So this is the overall trend with Google. It goes down little, jumps up, goes down, jumps up, and it's been rising. So there are two things I can do now. I can either close them as soon as the market opens, or I can leave it open. Now I presume it's safe to do either way, but I'm just gonna take my money and run. Okay, so with that, thanks for watching, and you can also subscribe to my channel. I show you my trades, I teach you trading, and I discuss whatever there is to be with trading. And I really thank you for watching, and this is what it looks like. I'm quite happy about this, but I could have doubled my money if I had put this money in there. So my account is running at 31,000. It could have been 41,000, so wow. Yeah, that's it for today, folks. Take care and keep making money, and if you have any question, just email me and I'll get right back to you. Okay, see you, enjoy, bye. Hey, I'm just doing an update because the markets have been closed and the video wasn't uploaded, so I just thought I will do a live close and you can see what's happening now. The market is more or less the same, but I'm just gonna close them off one by one. And in my next video, I'm gonna be opening up new trades, figure out what I need to do, because I mean these trades they go up and down, so there might be a while before I decide to make trade with different items. So let's just close this now. I'll just use the shortcut now. It's the easiest. Close. Okay, and I'm gonna close. It feels so good when closing these trades. Okay, it's like a money-making factory in here. That's what it looks like at the moment, and I will open new trades pretty soon, so come back to my channel and see what is happening. Thanks for watching. See you again.